Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chapter, that is the 14th group elements or P block elements, chemistry first year, English medium. In previous class we discussed about the silicon structure or diboron structure, graphite structure and fullerene structure, and discuss the different structures in different hybridizations, and different structures are existed, diamond and graphite and fullerene. But today we are going to discuss about the another syllabus: producer gas, water gas, silicones preparations. Next another one, silica structure, that is the remaining syllabus. That is the first one, producer gas. What is producer gas? Here is the first one, the mixture of carbon monoxide, that is also known as the CO. The mixture of carbon monoxide and N2 gas, dinitrogen, is called producer gas. Is called producer gas. The mixture of carbon monoxide, that is also known as a CO, and dinitrogen, N2. The mixture of CO and N2 is called producer gas. It contains 33% of carbon monoxide and 64% of dinitrogen or N2, and 3% of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. Those mixture also called as producer gas. Here are the mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen is called producer gas. It consists of the 33% of carbon monoxide and 64% of dinitrogen and 3% of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas mixture also called as producer gas. How is preparation of the producer gas? Here is the producer gas is prepared by the passing of the air. Here is the air consists of the oxygen and dinitrogen gas. Here is the producer gas is prepared by the passing of air over red hot coke. Coke means that the carbon atom. It is also known as a coke. Here is the producer gas is prepared by the passing of air passing through the over red hot coke, that is also known as a carbon atom. C also known as a coke or coal. Here is the producer gas is prepared by the air also known as a existed oxygen and nitrogen gases. Those air passing through the over red hot coke then form of carbon monoxide and dinitrogen gas. Here is the CO and N2 mixture also called as a producer gas. CO and N2 also called as producer gas. Here is the producer gas is prepared by the passing of air passing through the carbon atom, that is all existed over red hot coke. Carbon atom also known as a coke or coal that existed over red hot coke. Here is the air passing through the over red hot coke then form of carbon monoxide and dinitrogen or N2 gas. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas is also called as a producer gas. Next another one, uses. Producer gas also used for the industrial purpose to form industrial purpose, that is the preparation of the metals and non-metals like that petroleum and coal, that is the uses of producer gas. Next another one, water gas. What is water gas? The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas. It is also called as a syn gas or synthesis gas or blue gas. It burning with the blue color. It is also called as a water gas or syn gas or blue gas. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. But the mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen, N2. CO and N2 also called as a producer gas, but the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas or synthesis gas or syn gas or blue gas. It contains the 40 to 50% of carbon monoxide, 40 to 50% of carbon monoxide, but in producer gas 33% of carbon monoxide. Here is the 40 to 50% of carbon monoxide and 45 to 50% of hydrogen gas and little amount of carbon dioxide and nitrogen is called water gas or syngas or synthesis gas. Here is the water gas is prepared by the passing the steam passing through the over red hot coke also known as a CO also known as a coke, carbon atom also known as a coke. Here is also known as the steam H2O, water, that is also known as a steam passing through the over red hot coke at 473 to 1273 Kelvin, then form of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is also called as a water gas or blue gas or synthesis gas or syngas. Once again, here is the first one, the producer gas. What is producer gas? The mixture of carbon monoxide CO and nitrogen gas is called producer gas. It consists the 33% of carbon monoxide and 64% of nitrogen gas and 3% of carbon dioxide and H2 gas, hydrogen gas is called producer gas. Producer gas is prepared by the air passing through the over red hot coke at 1273 Kelvin. Here is the air consists of the oxygen and nitrogen. Here is the air passing through the over red hot coke also known as a carbon atom. Here is the air consists of the oxygen and nitrogen gas. Those gases passing through the over red hot coke at 1273 kelvins to form of carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas. Two mixtures also called as a producer gas. Next, another one, water gas. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas, but carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas also called as a producer gas, but the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas or syngas or synthesis gas. It burning with the blue color, it is also called as a blue gas. It contains the 40 to 50% of carbon monoxide and 45 to 50% of hydrogen gas and a little amount of carbon dioxide and N2 gas. That is also called as a water gas. Next one, water gas is prepared by the steam passing through the over red hot coke, that is also known as S2, also known as a steam passing through the over red hot coke at 473 to 1273 Kelvin, then form of carbon monoxide and H2. Carbon monoxide and H2 also called as a water gas or syngas or synthesis gas. Next, another one, structure of silica. It is also known as a carboranda. It is also known as a SiO2. It is also known as a silica or sand. Silica has a structure similar to the diamond. Similar to the diamond. In this, each silicon atom tetrahedrally. Here is the center of silicon atom bonding with the 4 oxygen atom. Here is the center of silicon atom bonding with 4 oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3, next 1, 4. So in this silicon is tetrahedrally bonded with the 4 oxygen atom by the covalent bonds, resulting again to 3-dimensional polymeric structure. Three-dimensional polymeric structure. In silica structure, center of silicon atom bonding with the 4 oxygen atom by the covalent bonds results in the again to 3-dimensional polymeric structure. In silica structure, each oxygen atom bonding with the 2 silicon atom. Here is also known as the center of oxygen atom bonding with the 2 silicon atom. Here is the oxygen atom bonding with the 2 silicon atom. Remaining 1 oxygen atom bonding with the 2 silicon atom. But each silicon atom bonding with the 4 oxygen atom to form of a tetrahedral covalent bonds resulting again to 3-dimensional polymeric structure. Next one, in silica, each silicon atom undergo, here is the sp3 hybridization to form of tetrahedral units, that is also known as a silica or sand. It is sand also used for the construction of the buildings, and another one dams. Next another one, it is used for the constructions material, and also used for the made up of the cement. That is also known as the uses of silica. Next, silicon also used for the preparation of silicates and silicones, like that freezes. That is also known as the marbles. Next one, mica, that is also used in the silica. That is the uses of silica. Here is the structure of silica. Silica general formula SiO2. SiO2 units also are existed in the silica structure. In silicon structure, silica has a structure similar to the diamond. Silica has a structure similar to the diamond. In this, each silicon atom tetrahedrally bonded to the 4 oxygen atom by the covalent bonds, resulting 3-dimensional polymeric structure. In silica structure, each silicon atom bonding with 4 oxygen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. In silica or sand structure, center of silicon atom bonding with the 4 oxygen atom to form of a tetrahedral 3-dimensional polymeric structure. Remaining each oxygen atom bonding with the 2 silicon atom, totally strong covalent bond that is existed, gained 3-dimensional polymeric structure. That is the structure of silica or sand. Sand also used for the construction of the dams. Next one, buildings. Next another one, silica on silicones or silicates or mica, that is are used in the silica of the juices. Next one, silicones. Silicones are also known as the organosilicones. Silicons also known as a organosilicones, that are existed R2SiO units, R2SiO2. It is also known as a organosilicon. R bond, silicon bond, oxygen bond, silicon bond R. It is also known as a R2SiO units. R2SiO2 units also known as a organosilicons. Here the silicons are organosilicons polymeric containing R2SiO units, repeating units. Those are synthetic compound of containing silicon bond oxygen, oxygen bond silicon. That is also known as a organosilicon or orthosilicate. It is also known as a organosilicons or polymerized containing with the R2SiO unit, R2SiO2 units. That is also known as a silicons. Here is the preparation of silicons. Those are formed by the hydrolysis of chlorosilicane. That's our hydrolysis of chlorosilicane or methylsilane or chloromethylsilane treated with the silicon atom to form of dichloro-dimethylsilane. When it is undergo hydrolysis process to form of silicone. That is the silicone preparation. Once again, here is the silicone. Silicones are also known as a organosilicones, which is existed R2SiO units. R2SiO2 repeating units, that's all existed. Polymeric units R2SiO2, that is also known as R2 R bond, silicon bond, oxygen bond, silicon bonding R. It is also known as alkyl organosilicanes. Those are synthetic compound consist the silicon bond oxygen, oxygen bond silicon. That is also called as a silicons. Silicons is prepared by the silicon treated with the methylsilane or chloromethylsilane, treated with the cuprous in the presence of 573 Kelvin, then form of dichloro-dimethylsilane. When it is undergo hydrolysis process to form of silicone, that is the preparation of silicones and silicones. Silicones also known as the organosilicones. Silicones also known as a organosilicones. Organs means that carbon compound. It's like that R bond, silicon bond, oxygen bond, silicon. It is also known as a R bond, silicon bond, oxygen bond, silicon. It is also known as organosilicones, polymeric containing R2SiO repeating units. Those are pure synthetic compound of containing silicon bond oxygen, oxygen bond silicon. That is also known as the organosilicanes. Next one, preparation of silicons. Silicons are formed by the hydrolysis of chlorosilicanes. Silicons is formed by the hydrolysis of chlorosilicanes. Chlorosilicanes, like that hydrolysis of dimethyl dichlorosilane, dimethyl formed by the or followed by the polymerization of straight chains. That's like that polymers also called as a silicon. Here is also known as a preparation of silicons. Silicons is formed by the hydrolysis of chlorosilanes. Here is the silicons are formed by the hydrolysis of chlorosilicanes. Then hydrolysis of dimethyl dichlorosilanes followed by the polymerization, then form of chain polymers like that dimethyl dihydroxysilanes. Here is the silicons treated with methyl chloromethyl or methyl chloride or chloromethane react or treated with the silicon in the presence of 573 Kelvin, then form of dichlorodimethyl silicon. When it is hydrolysis process, when it is undergo or dissolve in water molecule or hydrolysis process to form of chain polymers of silicon. That is the preparation of silicon. Here is the silicons unit bonding with the another silicon units, that is the small units. Those silicons are polymerized one by one, then form of chain silicons, dimethyl dichlorosilanes, like that also known as a preparation of the silicons. Next, another one, silicates. Silicates are the metal derivatives. Like that salicylic acid. Here is the silicates also known as the metal derivatives of salicylic acid. Example, zeolite or mica. Silicates also known as a metal derivative of salicylic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid also known as a salicylic acid. Here is also known as a silicates or metal derivative of salicylic acid. Example, zeolites and mica. The basic structure units silicates existed SiO4 minus 4 units. It is existed SiO4 minus units. Here is the silicates existed like that. The structure of consisted the SiO4 minus 4 units. That is the silicon is the center atom bonding with the 4 oxygen atom to form of a tetrahedral unit. Which silicon atom bonded with the 4 oxygen atom to form of a tetrahedral formula or tetrahedral formation. When silicates units are linked together, they formed chain silicates and ring silicates, sheet silicates or 3-dimensional silicates. That is the silicates importance. Next, last one. 2 important man-made silicates are glass and cement. 2 important man-made silicates are glass and cement. What is the man-made silicates? Example, write the man-made silicates. 2 marks question, very important. glass and cement, that is the silicates. Once again, silicates. Silicates are metal derivative of salicylic acid. Silicates are metal derivative of salicylic acid. Example, zeolite and mica. Next, another one, the basic structure of silicates, which silicon atom bonded with the 4 oxygen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, then form of tetrahedral units. When silicate units are linked together, then form of chain silicates, ring silicates, sheet silicates, or 3-dimensional silicates. Next one, 2 important man-made silicates are glass and cement. That is the silicates importance. And here is today in this class we discuss about the preparation of water gas and producer gas, and what is the condensation of water gas and producer gas. Next, another one, silica structure, remaining silicons and silicates. Next, remaining another one, zeolite. Remaining last one is the zeolite. No, last one, zeolites. What is zeolite? Here is the zeolites are hydrated aluminum silicates. Zeolites are hydrated aluminum silicates. Zeolites also known as a hydrated aluminum silicates. Hydrated means that the water molecule. Those are aluminum silicates existed the water molecule. That is also called as a zeolites, also known as a hydrated aluminum silicates having 3-dimensional structure. 3-dimensional structure containing no metal ion. Here is also known as a zeolites, also known as a hydrated aluminum silicates. Hydrated aluminum silicates also called as a zeolites, which are having 3-dimensional structure, it containing no metal ions. Here is the zeolites general formula. G means the general formula. M, also known as any metal ion into aluminum dioxide, X number of aluminum dioxide, Y number of silicon dioxide, and Z number of water molecule. It is also known as a hydrated aluminum silicate. Z number of hydrated aluminum silicates also called as a zeolite. Z number of water molecule. Z number of water molecule of hydrated aluminum silicates also called as a zeolites, or zeolites also known as a hydrated aluminum silicate, which are having 3-dimensional structure. 3-dimensional structures containing no metal ion. General formula M into aluminum dioxide into, that is also known as a X number of aluminum dioxide, and Y number of silicon dioxide into Z number of water molecule. That is the formula of the zeolite. Zeolites are formed by the replacement of silicon atom. Here is also known as a zeolite is formed by the replacement of the silica of aluminum. Here is the replacement of SiO4 instead of aluminum and another metal ion. The replacement of 1 or 2 silicon atoms, 1 or 2 silicon atoms, Si2O8 units. That is the form of zeolite. Zeolites is formed by the replacement of SiO4 of silica, aluminum plus 3, and another metal ion replacement of 1 or 2 silicon atom, Si2O8. That is the -2n, then form of zeolite. That is the zeolite. Zeolites used as a catalyzation of the photochemical industries, petrochemical industries. Zeolites also used in petrochemical industries for the cracking of hydrocarbons. Zeolites also used in the photochemical or petrochemical industry for the cracking of the hydrocarbons. Next one example, ZSM5. It is ZSM5. It is also known as a type of zeolite. ZSM5 is also known as a one type of zeolite. It is used to convert it to alcohol into gasoline. ZSM5 is also known as a one type of zeolite which is used for the converting of alcohol into gasoline. That is the zeolites. 4th group elements or 14th group elements hover అండి.